So it has been well over a week now wearing the sizing kit by Ōura Ring. If I zoom in, you can see size 13. So no, these are not a prototype. And this one is size 11 somewhere. Anyway, last year I ordered a size 10. Actually, last year I ordered a size 9 and it was way too small. So this year I ordered a size 11 for my right ring and finger. And I've gone running, I've gone swimming, I wore it all day and all night. And pretty much it's been off my finger for maybe an hour in the last week. So now I know that a size 11 is the perfect fit because your ring, your fingers shrink and expand and shrink and expand all day based upon your activities. So I highly recommend you order the ring sizing kit. It's free, and then Ōura Ring lets you keep these plastic rings and you can share them with your friend. The cool thing is, even in the water, I was in a wave pool earlier today and I was in the lazy river and they didn't come off. So I can even swim with both these sizes. The thumb one got a little bit loose at times and sometimes it gets in a way. Just kind of a little FYI. Maybe a thumb ring's not your... And they do run big. So to put this in perspective, my ring finger is a size 8.5, 9, but that's my left hand. So I thought for sure a 9 would work on my right hand. No. And then I tried the 9 on my left hand and that didn't work either. So they sent me the sizing kit, again free of charge, and I tried on the 10, no dice. When I went running it was too tight, and when I slept it was uncomfortable. I switched to the 11 and it's just perfect. So thanks for the sizing kit Ōura Ring. It worked out perfectly and I can't wait to get my real smart ring and start learning more about my sleep. There we go, Ōura Ring. Let's see, 8 days later.